What's going on, YouTube? Middle Complex here, and today I've got an interesting unboxing to share with you guys. I'm excited about this. This box was actually, follow me on Instagram. This box was actually sent to me by Blade HQ. They contacted me on Instagram and said, hey, would you like to check out the new Guardian Tactical GTX-025 or GTX-025? I'm not really sure. That's how I'd pronounce it. And they said we're gonna do these. We're gonna announce them or release them on Friday. And I said, yeah, for sure. So just so you guys know, there's gonna be links down in the description. I'm not exactly sure what time today that happens, but yeah, if you want to check this out, absolutely. A lot of you guys know I purchased a while back a Guardian Tactical Recon 35 for myself and loved it. So when they said this was a new Guardian Tactical model, I said, yeah, 100%. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I've already been in here because I just really wanted to get into it. So, this is the GTX-025. I'll actually show you guys the model number there, GTX-025, an LMAX, dark stonewash, and SE for single edge. Check this out. Super cool. This is a smaller size. So they have the large 35, and then is it the 40? I can't remember, or the 30. I can't remember what the larger one is, but now they have this smaller sized one. And the nice thing is that you actually can get a full 4-finger grip on this guy, which is something that I always talk about, is a preference with smaller knives. For those of you who don't know, Guardian Tactical has this interesting setup here where they've got a steel plate, and then underneath the switch there are ball bearings, which makes the actuation of the switch unbelievably smooth. The other nice thing is that we've got this ramp here, and then this is, instead of being symmetrical, right, like a normal OTF, it's actually set up to complement your thumb depending on which side you're putting pressure on. So that's really cool. I love the texture pattern here. Love how the aluminum looks. They have a little ball bearing set into the back of the frame here, which I imagine could be used as a glass breaker. This black stonewash finish looks kind of battle worn, which is pretty cool. They've got a bunch of different variants of this. It extends to the pocket clip as well. I kind of like that. It kind of looked like it's already been used a little bit. But if you want stonewashed or you want the black one, you know, they all black or whatever, I think they've even got two-tone. There's a bunch of different versions. This is super nice. It really feels like my Recon 35, just much smaller. And I'm going to give you guys a measurement here. I don't normally do this on an unboxing, but just so you know, 6.6, almost exactly 6 3/4 inches overall. Blade length is definitely under 3 inches, and then your cutting edge is coming in at about 2.6, something like that. So yeah. That's pretty neat. That's going to make a lot of people happy. And, you know, the nice thing is it definitely is meant to, you can see there where they want you to put your fingers. They expect you to get a full 4-finger grip on this thing if you want to. I was pretty excited about that. I love LMAX. We don't see enough LMAX in the knife world. The other nice thing is that these are made in the United States, and they're priced very competitively. Absolutely. This is one of the highest quality. You know, Guardian Tactical makes definitely some of the highest quality OTFs that you can get, especially, you know, for like considering they're American made. It's awesome. There's some pretty heavy competition in that category, and they have priced these very well. So I'm not sure exactly when these come out today. I'm gonna try and make sure that you guys are able to see this with plenty of time in advance. It's so fun to do. That plate makes that switch so smooth. I can't tell you, you know, I remember that before I actually ordered my Recon thinking, how smooth could that actually be? How much difference could that make? It makes a difference. That's fun. Fidget factor on an OTF that's beyond just throwing the blade. Who knew that it would have to do with a plate and ball bearings underneath the switch? Pretty cool. But anyways, yeah, I like this a lot. First impressions, I've been playing with it for a little bit, but first impressions, very good. The Guardian Tactical GTX-025. Give you guys a look there one more time. Check it out. Links down in the description where you guys can go check this out on Blade HQ. If it's available, great. If it's not available yet, I believe they actually do launch today. So make sure that you're ready to go. But anyways, guys, I think that's going to be about it. Whoops. Thank you so much, Blade HQ, for letting me take a look at this. I think I think that's going to be about it today. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you're excited about this in any way, shape, or form, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that metal complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.